The MTConnect instance is being added. In this example, we use a simulated device. Select the MTConnect connector, assign an instance name and insert the address of the MTConnect instance. After the MTConnect instance has been added, wait for SIA Connect to reinitialize and load all the variables from the device. All the available variables are shown in the list and the values together with proper units are automatically loaded. Scroll down the item list and you see all the items available together with the unit and other metadata. You can now add mappings and connect the data to other instances and services.